Okay, now we will produce 395 millimeters, 2 meters length, 120 diameter. We insert, it must be around here, half the roller, the complete length. Then we go and set the size, 395. And the target is around 10 millimeters for this sheet metal. Now we press down to start the cycle, and once more to start automatic mode. First it rotates back and then we finish 120.